So our first question is, which algorithm is used for the congestion control in networking? So the first option is Dijkstra algorithm. So Dijkstra algorithm, we all know it is a shortest path algorithm. And the second option is slow start. So slow start is a TCP congestion control mechanism. So right option is here is slow start. Third option is a round robin. So round robin is a CPU scheduling algorithm, which is not the correct option. So last option is a CSMA-CD. So it is a collision detection algorithm, and it is mainly used in the Ethernet. So here correct option is option B, which is a slow start. So second question is, what does the latency mean in networking? So latency basically means a delay while sending a packet in the network, or the extra time taken by our wire or a medium to send the packet. So here correct answer is a propagation delay. Third question is, which algorithm is used in the blockchain for the consensus? So option is RSA. RSA is a asymmetric key algorithm. And the second option is a SHA 256, which is basically a security based algorithm. And the third option is proof of work. So proof of work is the correct option here, which is used in the blockchain, and we mainly see it in Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, or the last option is a DES, which is a symmetric algorithm we used in a cyber security. So fourth question is, which technology allow a single physical machine to run multiple independent virtual machines simultaneously? So this is the most common question asked in the various PSU exams. So, and we also use this technology in our college. So this is so virtualization. We use virtual machines like Red Hat and the Linux. All this we used in our system simultaneously. So fifth question is cloud service, where hardware is managed by the third party and use only handle code applications. So we know that the platform as a services provide the operating systems and other services to the users. So correct answer is a platform as a services. And the sixth question is, which asset property allow transactions to execute in a sequential manner? So asset property, we know that it is A stands for atomicity, C stands for consistency, I for isolation, and D for durability. So here we have asked that the transaction to execute in a sequential manner. So first execute a first instruction, then second, and so on. So here correct option is isolation. Seventh question is, which data structures gives order of one average search time? So this is the common question also. This is the hash table. Hash table has a complexity of order of 1. Eighth question is, which data structure can insertion and deletion be done on both ends in the order of 1? So it is the question of queue, or the most popularly used queue is DQ, where the insertion or deletion can happen in the both ends, and the both ends are open for inserting a element or deleting a element. So ninth question is, what does the alpha, which is greater than 1, means in the context of hash tables? So in case of hash tables, we have alpha, which means alpha greater than 1 means number of keys are greater than number of slots. It means the number of keys are greater and our slots present in our hash table are lesser. 10th question is, which OOPS property restrict access to a important data and allow access only by a public getter setter function? So it is a Java question, most commonly used, where we use a getter setter method basically. So in encapsulation, where we encapsulate our methods or functions, methods or variables in a one function. So it is a encapsulation here is the correct answer. So 11th question is, which routing protocol is used to communicate between different autonomous systems. So routing protocol, OSPF basically use our discussed algorithm, and RIP basically uses our Bellman-Ford algorithm. So here correct answer for the autonomous system is a BGP is the correct answer. It is the border gateway protocol which we used in the autonomous systems. So 12th question is, what is the worst case time complexity of a merge sort? So we know that the time complexity, which is the best average or worst case time complexity of a merge sort, is order of n log n. So 13th question is, what is the height of balanced binary search tree with the n nodes? So we know that it is a balanced binary search tree, which means the left hand side nodes equal to right hand side nodes. So the height is order of log n, half of the total nodes, we can say. So 14th question is, how many bits are used for the page offset if page size is 4 KB? So how many bits are used for the page offset? We know that there in paging we have the two fields. First one is the page offset and second one is the page size. Here page size is 4 KB. It means we have a 2 raised power 12 bits, means bytes, and this is the 12 bits. So 12 bits is the correct answer here. Which page replacement algorithm replaces the least recently used pages? So it is famous question in the operating system. Least recently used pages is a LRU,